Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets touched yet another record high on Wednesday on back of continuous foreign institutional inflows and gains in IT stock after US manufacturing activity was better than expected. The Sensex was up around 0.5% to close at 27,140 and the Nifty ended at 8,115. In India, the HSBC Services PMI for the month of August eased to 50.6 from over 52 mark in the previous month as business confidence waned. Analysts said that the government needs to continue with the reform process for business confidence to improve. Among the gainers were Infosys, TCS and Wipro. They were all up around 3%. Bharti Airtel and Coal India also rallied almost 3%. Among the losers were GAIL India and ITC, which was down 2%. Since the beginning of the year, the Indian markets are up around 28%. At foreign institutional investors have invested around $13 billion so far this year. Some of the shares from the power sector, JP Power, Adani Power, they were down around 2 to 3% on uncertainty surrounding the Supreme Court verdict, which will be on September 9th. Also, reports suggested that coal shortages are again have become a concern in India. All eyes are on the European Central Bank meeting on September 4th, mainly if they will announce any form of monetary stimulus to support the economy. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.